Hello guys, welcome to my gardening channel. So today's video is a complete guide to growing carrots at your home. Stay with me and enjoy. To start off, you'll need carrot seeds. The best season to grow carrots is winter season. I am recycling a paint bucket to grow the carrots. Carrot plants love compost, so make sure to use rich soil. Now sow the seeds and sprinkle 1-inch layer of soil to cover the seeds. Water it on alternate days. The seeds have started to germinate. As I told you that rich soil will help it grow faster, you can already see the stunning growth. When the plants start to flower, then that is the right time to harvest the carrots. I am removing the stems so that I can easily harvest. It's so satisfying to watch your hard work transform into success. Now you can grow carrots at your home by following my method. There is no rocket science.